Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a webhook in ClickUp step by step. Whether you're setting up automations, connecting ClickUp with external apps, or triggering real-time updates in your workflows, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get your webhook working smoothly. First, open your ClickUp workspace and navigate to the space, folder, or list where you want to create the webhook. Once you're there, look toward the top and click the Automate button, also known as the lightning bolt icon. From the menu that appears, select Manage Automations. Make sure to follow along carefully here, because this is where all webhook management happens. Next, inside the Automations window, click on the Webhooks tab. This section is dedicated to creating and managing webhooks in ClickUp. Now, click on Create Webhook to get started. You'll be asked to enter a unique title for your webhook, so choose a clear name that helps you recognize its purpose later. After that, add a short description to explain what this webhook is used for. This is especially helpful if you're working with a team. Now, enter your webhook URL. This is the endpoint where ClickUp will send data when the automation is triggered. If needed, you can also select dynamic fields to include them directly in the URL, which makes your integrations even more powerful and flexible. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. By default, ClickUp includes the header content type set to application, JSON, so you usually don't need to change it. However, if your integration requires additional headers, you can add custom key value pairs by clicking Add. You can also include optional custom URL parameters by entering a key and value, then clicking Add again. Once everything is set, click Test Webhook to send an example payload and confirm that your endpoint is receiving data correctly. After verifying the test, click Create Webhook to finalize the setup. After that, you should be able to use this webhook inside your automations without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to document your webhook details for future reference. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a webhook in ClickUp easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who are building ClickUp automations. Why not make someone's day easier?